Hello my dear students, welcome back to our English class. As you know, we have started a new grammar topic, pronoun and its types. In previous video, we have covered 4 types of pronouns, that is personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun and emphatic pronoun. In this video, we will learn about another 3 types of pronouns, that is demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun and relative pronoun. So, our learning outcome of today's class will be students will be able to learn about the remaining parts of pronoun, that is demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun and relative pronoun. Before going to proceed further, I am giving you a few instructions. Listen them carefully. Watch the video carefully. Keep a pen and notebook with you. Pause the video on my command. As you know, this is the rule of our class, to follow an agenda. Before going to start any topic, let's follow an agenda. Firstly, we will do recapitulations. After that, I will ask some questions. Then discussion will be there. Then you will do application part. After that, I will give you homework. Without any further ado, let's start with demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun is used to indicate any noun. This, that, these and those are examples of demonstrative pronoun. This and that are the singular part. These and those are the plural parts of pronoun. This is used to indicate a singular object which is nearby. In the same way, these is used to indicate plural object which is nearby. That is used to indicate a singular object which is far away, and those is used to indicate plural object which is far away. This is all about demonstrative pronoun. These are some examples of demonstrative pronouns. Those are the apples I bought this morning. This is the phone that I ordered last week. This is the sweater that my grandmother knitted. This boy is Mr. Mehraj's son. The underlined words are the examples of demonstrative pronouns, and the underlined words are this, those. Now move to interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun is used to ask questions about the subject or object or possessive of noun. Who, which, what and whose are some interrogative pronoun. Here are given some examples of interrogative pronoun. Who has won the World Cup? Whom did he invite to the party? Which is your pen? Whose is this book? In these examples, who, whom, which, whose are the examples of interrogative pronoun. Whom is used to ask about the object in a sentence, and whose is used to ask about the ownership or relationship of a noun, which is used to ask the choice of a noun out of more than one options. What is used to ask about the subject or object. Now move to relative pronoun. Relative pronoun introduce an adjective clause. It will relate a subordinate clause to the rest of the sentence. For example, she is wearing the dress which her mother gifted her. Are you the girl who won the competition? In these sentences, there are two sentences are given. She is wearing the dress her mother gifted her. These two sentences are joined with which. Now it's your turn. Circle the demonstrative pronoun. Here are given some sentences. In these sentences, you have to circle the demonstrative pronouns. As we have read, demonstrative pronouns are this, that, these and those. In these sentences, you have to circle the demonstrative pronoun. Watch the video again carefully and underline or circle the demonstrative pronoun. Now I am giving you homework. In this homework, rewrite the sentences using relative pronoun. Rewrite the sentences using relative pronouns. As we have read that in relative pronouns we join two sentences with which, whom, who, etc. You have to do this work in your notebook. I hope you enjoyed today's class and understood today's topic. Watch the video again carefully. Bye bye. Stay home, stay safe.